April 19, 2018. Did you drive a vehicle in the city of Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
Miss Martin, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Just state your name for Miss Medina.
Nicole Martin.
Thank you. Go ahead, Counsel.
Be satisfied, Judge. My client is presumed to be guilty to driving while license suspended, revoked, or denied. I believe it's a charge.
Yes.
In charge, Your Honor, in exchange in 2019, offense would be dismissed. I have advised her the 2 points of the driving record. My understanding, Your Honor, the only thing we requested is she had police contact. She was given a $200 bond. She has not posted it with the intent that she wants to make sure the public court address this, and she's been frustrated for approximately 18 years. I ask that the court consider that. She maintains residence. She has a daughter that she's responsible for, and she hopes to return to her job in a nursing home.
Thank you. And Ms. Martin, do you understand your rights and options after discussing those with Miss Medina?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes, sir.
Are you pleading guilty to that charge today?
Yes.
Are you doing so freely and voluntarily?
Yes.
April 19, 2018. Did you drive a vehicle in the city of Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied?
Yes.
I will accept your plea to that charge. I will dismiss the other charge of drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied. I am going to sentence you to 18 days in jail, credit for time served, and close your file. Understood?
Yes.
All right. So you've also got a whole bunch of files you owe us money on. You're at a balance of over $2,000. What I want you to do is come in here in person and talk about what your options are. We've got a number of options so you can close these out so you can get your license straightened out eventually.
Yes, that's my plan, ASAP.
All right. All right. Any questions?
No.
All right. Good luck.
Thank you.
And one dismissal.
Yeah, nobody else at the jail. I can close the jail out. What do you got ready?
Dismissal.
Peters, got it right in front of me. Your appearance for Christian Peters.
Crystal Marie, Ms. Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Peters. Ms. Peters, please state your full name for the record. Christian Peters. Your Honor, at this time, it's a final pre-trial. My understanding is that you are moved to dismiss and have a statement in line with a dismissal without prejudice.
All right, with you if I dismiss it? Goodbye.
Thank you very much, Your Honor. Thank you.
Sorry about your brother. I want those 40 hours completed by December 1. Doable?
Doable.
All right, we've got a list downstairs if you want to grab it. So you don't have to find someplace on your own. All right, good luck. Are we ready on Lear?
We are ready, Your Honor.
Appearances, please.
And Crystal Marie Medina, Your Honor, on behalf of Ms. Lear. Your Honor, Ms. Lear is not at this time. We do have the father here, Your Honor, which is her legal guardian. I have reviewed that paperwork, Your Honor. I'll confirm that. We would be requesting an adjournment, Your Honor, to a Zoom date that may allow Ms. Lear to appear.
How far out do we want to go?
See, just like a month right now, sir. I mean, Your Honor, because we are going to kind of touch base then and see where we're at. Mr. Lear will be providing us some medical information with regards to his daughter that may be relevant to what we're trying to accomplish here, Your Honor.
That is accurate.
Thank you, Ms. Walsh.
October 20th at 10:40.
Sounds good to me. It's on Zoom right
Does that
now.
work?
Okay, it's next. It's gonna be October 16th.
Okay,
Is that all right?
Do 10:50.
perfect. Zoom, so I will, wherever I am, I'll be here. Okay?
I'm sorry, what time did you do that?
10:50.
Thank you. I'll make a note, Zoom.
And sir, you have an email with some information, okay? All right. Thank you.
Good luck, Dad.
Thank you for your time.
Can execute a key agreement which the safety would be really good. And is disorder of the person. For the period of 6 months. Mr. Feasty stays out of trouble, complies with all the court's wishes. This man would be considered for dismissal at that time. And I think right after that, he's going in the middle.
Where at? What branch? Oh, man, you're not gonna like the hair. I mean, I like the hair, don't get me wrong.
So about all the cut there.
Yeah. You know what? Just start getting haircuts so it's not such a big shock to your system to lose it all at once.
It look like mine, we get on that ship.
All right, Mr. Feaster, did you talk to Mr. Bowditch about your rights and the options those rights give you? Understood those? And do you understand the possible penalty for this charge? Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to the charge today? Mr. Bowditch, would you void your June 24 incident date?
On June 24th. City of Rockville. Was there an incident that happened in the apartment complex? Were you present at that incident? At that point, sir, Mr. Feaster, while that crowd was gathering, did you get a little loud? That's satisfying.
I'll accept the plea and dismiss the original charge. What should I know about Mr. Feaster other than his Navy plans?
This apartment complex, wrong place, wrong.
You're working, Mr. Feaster? Kind of, sort of. What does that mean? Okay, what's your uncle do? Okay. Have you ever had a job where you had a schedule and payroll withholdings and that kind of stuff? When? Where? Okay, so where was the last time you had what I call a real job? Okay. Anything else you want me to consider before I set the terms? All right, I'll go along with the prosecutor's recommendation. I will delay sentence for 6 months. During that time period, you stay out of trouble, no new criminal offenses. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail and court costs of $350. Can you pay the $350 today? All right, go downstairs, talk about your options. You can set up a plan, payment plan, or a due date, and they'll schedule your 3 days on the work program. Any questions? Good luck.
Why's Marilyn involved in this? Oh, she
Because-
wasn't a attorney? No.
No, she was probably covering for Dave all the time.
Okay. Is anybody representing Mr. Kaufman?
I don't think so. He signed up for the prosecutor by himself.
Yeah, just make the ROI show this the last time. We got,
Yeah, Miss Lawson.
good morning, Ms. Lawson. Go ahead.
Hi, my name is Chloe Lawson.
Thank you.
Your Honor, today's date facts of arraignment. With standing. You also have a chance to pre-trial this case. We have an executed plea agreement subject. In that agreement, Ms. Lawson to be pleaded guilty to an added count of allowing an unlicensed private driver of a car.
Thank you.
Understanding the original charge would be dismissed. She is enjoying the mercy of this because she's paid off all her tickets and has her full license back.
Reinstated. Good job. Awesome. Legal driver. Beautiful. All right. Did you discuss your rights and options with Mr. Bowditch today?
Yes.
Understood those rights and the options presented?
Yes.
You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Yes. Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily to that charge?
Yes.
July 5, 2025, did you drive a vehicle in Romulus while your license was suspended, revoked, or denied? I'm satisfied. All right. I will accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. License is reinstated. Are you working, ma'am? Good. Good. How long you been with the city of Detroit?
Previous shower now.
Okay, great. Anything else you want me to consider before I sentence you?
No, thank you.
You're welcome.
So you've been finance, got it. Yeah.
How is this is beautiful, but you worked different.
All right. Miss Lawson. Fines and costs on your file, $550. I'm assessing 3 days on the court work program as an alternative to jail. You pick which 3 days you work. Can you pay the $550 today, or do you need to talk options downstairs? They'll schedule your days on the work program as well. Any questions? Have a lovely day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Who's talking to Martin on Zoom?
It was Medina. They had a plea worked out. I can bring Medina in.
Okay, well, I'm done until somebody comes in. You waiting for an attorney, sir?
No.
You're waiting for her to give you a piece of paper? Yep.
Perfect. Where am I now? Oh, where am I? Somewhere. The notes are somewhere.
I can't keep all of them, because I'm so recognizing, so do that. After time. I can take her, and then I finish the business vessel, and then I'll do the other young man on Zoom. I'm trying to kind of, and do. Somebody asked me. Yes, Your Honor, I was just asked if I eat.
Human copy.
Not quite the same effect. All right, are you ready on Tiffany Hemingway?
Yes. Where is she? Give me 1 second.
I don't need her if you don't want her for dismissal.
There. For some reason, we have I am actually sending the attorney of record. This was a violent free trial. I believe there's dismissal in the file.
Done.
And I think this nature was without prejudice.
How about Nicole Martin?